Not good, this is not good.
Evening everybody. I've got puddle right there. That's the passenger rear seat. Everywhere else, front, there, everywhere else is nice and dry, apart from here. This is literally soaking wet. So I was wondering, where does the water come from? Everything around here, everything is dry. This is dry, this is dry, but over here I noticed it was slightly damp-ish. Yeah, but I thought, well, the water can't go up and then down, so probably this way. And like I thought, if you take the pillar, the cover from the side, there was moisture from here, there. So instead of taking this off, I took the roof lining off, covers for the pillars, remove them, and you drop the roof lining down. You look here, so that's the drain from the panoramic roof, one there and one here. Get the bucket with water and pour it over the roof so that I can see if the seals of the panoramic roof are fine and where it's leaking. Okay, due to the fact that it's raining, look at this. You see? And to be fair, I don't actually know where it's leaking from, but I know that it's leaking here and it's leaking onto the roof lining, and then down this pillar, down here. See? And in there. Problem is, I don't know how to get there and what's leaking, because it's not this pipe, because it's nice, it's okay there. It's leaking there from somewhere, like, oh,
Not good, this is not good.
I need to figure out how to. Nothing is wet on this side, it's just this side. Oh man. So I need to think of something and sort that out before my car floods inside. Right, after a couple of days of holidays, I went in. Look at this. This is literally a puddle here now.
Look at this, very not good, not good.
I need to start removing the roof lining because you can clearly see where it's leaking. So I need to figure out why it's leaking somewhere there, what's going on, and then I'll be able to tell you more. First I need to remove these pillars, and in order to take them off, I need to take this off and this off. So let's do it. Okay, so I reckon that the drain from the roof is this part. I'm not expert, but I'm just assuming that this drain pipe that I've just cleaned, because it was dirty as well. So this drain pipe was blocked, so hence water was building up in this. And I think this box here, it's glued to the roof, and that's the drain part, so I think it's leaking from there. So I'll put sealant around, all there, and then I'll pour water over the roof and see if it's leaking. Because I don't want to do it now because it's dry, because it wasn't raining for one day. So I want to try that now, obviously after the silicone, and see if it will still leak or not. Because if I'll pour water over the roof now, everything gonna be wet and the silicone not gonna stick. Gunk it up and hopefully this will cure the problem. Because, you know, if this would be screwed on, I could try taking it apart and, you know, maybe resealing it, but this is glued. You can't really do much about it. Okay, I can still see some drops, but these drops are coming out from here. So you see, nothing is leaking anywhere apart from there. Look. You see? So right now I'm using rice, because rice absorbs water. It will absorb all the moisture from the floor, and after a couple of days just use your vacuum it in, and that's it. Clean the carpets and just make sure they obviously dry up. So I had my carpet off, like you can see. I was driving like this for probably a week until everything dried up, but once it was nice and dry, I've put everything back in, and that's it. As long as you close the water delivery, as long as that doesn't leak, you'll be alright. So, like I said, vacuum, put everything back up together, and job done. So, thank you for watching. See you next time.